So I'm walking up so you can see the light come on. Now you can see what it looks like when the motion sensor activates the light. I'm going to show you it in the daylight so you can see what it looks like, but I wanted to show you in action how it works at night as it's been powered up by the solar. So this is what the light looks like in the daytime. You see the solar panels on top. If I go around this way, here is the light. You saw me walking towards it with the light shining out this way, and that's what it looks like inside. So now I'm going to go inside and get one that we haven't installed yet and tell you more about it. Okay, so you've seen this in use, and this is what it looks like close up. So this is a mount, and you can either attach the stakes here, or you can they have room for screws, and you have drywall anchors so you can mount them to the side of your house. This is the actual light. So this is where the light is emitting from, and this is the solar panel. So really, really nice and convenient. We love the functionality. We love the fact that there's multiple uses. You can mount it on your house, or you can attach it with stakes and put it in your yard. But the fact that it doesn't take any electricity or batteries or anything like that is just amazing. It generates light 100% by solar panels, by absorbing the sun rays throughout the day, and then it emits light at night. It does have this on the back here. It has this sensor mode on or off. We have it on so that as you walk up or any type of motion, it comes on. So that's a nice feature. So love the flexibility. We've had these for about 6 to 8 months now, I would believe, and they've worked really well. Never had any issues with it not generating light. So it's been getting a good amount, you know, and it works for what we need. So we are pleased with this. We definitely highly recommend these if you're looking for some nice and convenient solar powered lights that are very versatile, to where you could either use them in your yard or mount on your house. So highly recommend these.